Howdy friends, welcome to All About Relay channel. In this video, we will see the RTMS overview part 4. Last three videos, we were seeing about RTMS home screen, system configuration screen, relay setting screen, also select new test and various other icons and its application, how we can use those icons and tools for testing the relay. We will continue to see further more icons in the RTMS screen even before we continue to use all the main tools how to do the relay testing. Let's start from the relay library. Relay library has two options: select relay manufacturer, template manager. Select relay manufacturer, it holds various relay manufacturers relay templates, kind of overcurrent, over voltage, under voltage relay test files, impedance test files, differential only test files. You can see here in the detail maroon, the any icons or templates names you can see here, it is shown in maroon color. That's templates. If the text name appear here green, then it's a voltage or current only. If it is in blue, it is impedance only. If it is in purple, differential only. So it's very important to understand the difference. I would suggest to always pick the templates maroon color for performing the maroon SEL or any ABB, any other relay templates. Let's pick one template from SEL relay. Say example, let me pick 351. It's a very common relay used in North American market. Load the templates. When you are loading the templates, it's asked for the overwriting the old file. Yes, in this case I say yes, and it load the templates, and it open into the predefined test view icon. This one I also call this as a magic button view. I will close this one. We will see this later. So we seen earlier how to go to select relay manufacturer and pick the template and launch it. We did that one. Let's go to the next icon, template manager. This is a very special tool. It is unique compared to anything else in the market. The template manager is a cloud-based tool which allow user to check available relay templates in with the Megger cloud with their local PC or local RTMS software, and if it is anything missing compared to the cloud availability, they can able to download it. Also, they can able to open or launch the templates directly from here. This can work in two ways: with the internet or without internet. With the internet, it will show the live update. What it does mean, it compare the templates in the local PC. By installing the RTMS software, we default load the templates in the background. So those templates it compare in the cloud, and if everything is okay, it shows the green color. You can see here in this tab, actually you have various tabs on the template tab, like update, manufacturer, relay model, cloud modification date, local modification date, size of the template, local size of the template, and change log. If any change log is nothing but if any the template is first time released and later we have found some update required or we added some additions, then we release the template again. Then you can find what are the changes from the change log. Then the most important part is like minimum template, minimum RTMS version required to use the or run the template. Actually, in this case, say example IAV51DG relay, you want to run this particular template, you need to have a minimum of like D100.53.36.13. That's very very important. You need to know which one you required. Otherwise, if anything lower than this version, we don't allow to run this particular template. And also you can see the report tab. It allow user to click report tab and launch the report by default with the default setting preloaded, or we release the any template with the test result pass value. So here in the template tab, you have seen multiple options. Update local with newer. That means when you user click this option, anything in the cloud Anything in the cloud start downloaded into the local PC automatically without customer or user copy the templates, download from the website and copy into the local PC. This step is being avoided by using this button. And also the another option, update local with the missing only. So if user select everything and select only the missing ones, the cloud software will automatically check the available templates in the local PC, and it update the missing cloud modules into the local PC. Then this one update local with checked, it will only update. User also have this option, like user can manually select this one and update this particular relay selected, then it will update it into the local PC. Open in RTMS option, it gives the power to the user can launch or open this particular template selected in the RTMS directly from this page. And also there is another option. It's very useful for the sales engineers or relay promoters, RTMS promoter. They can simply click export list to CSV, then they get all the relay test uh, relay templates available in the cloud list as Excel file. It is easy to understand the relays, what are the relays are available. Then they can communicate with the customer, or even customer themselves they can verify what is available, is required for them or not. And also here one more option, search tool. If user want to find any relay template they require is available or not, simply search here instead of navigating the whole screen. So I type 751 here. So there are two 751 relay. Example, I want to see T60 relay, GET60 relay, there are templates. And REL 670 example, I type REL 670, multiple REL 670 versions are available. 7UT relay, there is a multiple 7UT relays available. So these search options provide very powerful informations to the user to compare, check the available templates. And also in the bottom it shows PowerDB revision. What is the PowerDB revision this particular local PC have, and RTMS version, also like number of cloud templates in there. It's over 409 templates in the cloud. It's a lot of templates, pretty much 80 to 85 percentage of market requirement it covers. Also, like the report tab I was talking about earlier, when you click on the report tab, example ABB Westinghouse CV5 I want to see, then you click on the report tab, this automatically downloaded from the cloud and it open as a PDF file. It will show all the relay settings, or what are the tests are done, all those options in the report it will show. So it's a very nice report user can have as a reference. They can also compare whether it is tested or not. And let's continue to the template manager. There are two other tabs. It's a documents and links. Let's see what is in the documents tab. In the documents tab, we normally hold application guides or help files or release notes. Say example, the last release is like 36.10 example, or like 35.6. If I click on the 35.6, it opens the PDF file as earlier. It shows what are the changes it is done in the, it's not only in the RTMS software, it also like MRCT, MVCT, or any other firmware update for both the MRCT, MVCT, and SMRT Freya hardwares. So it does gives the detailed information what are the changes has been done. It's very useful information. And also we mention here any open issues are there, and what are the uh, what are the other option to avoid those conditions. The link step, another useful information link step, like it's very useful for the new user or someone want to learn the RTMS software. There are a lot of help files or video files here. So where do you want to download the PowerDB software? You click on this particular link, it will automatically load you to the PowerDB website, and you have the option like where to download. the PowerDB software, the latest release available here in the top, so user can download simply and install it. Other support option like it's a TAG mega TAG support page is there. User can click on this. It open the whole document. It's not only relay test kit, it's also MRCT, MVCT, or any instrument belongs to the mega. It provides the common option like a download link option or YouTube video option. So example, I select the RTMS software here. So it opens the RTMS tab, and also like how RTMS software. Example, I want to open RTMS Relay Test Management Software home layout. There is a short video available. The videos I'm making, the RTMS video series, it is similar to it, but I'm making like in detailed videos. Example, I'm going each and every button. Someone want to like see quick stuff, then this is a very handy tool, and it's very helpful. User can come here and use it. Let's continue the RTMS overview option. Like let me close this tool and go back to the RTMS software again. So earlier we seen like a template manager and select relay manufacturer options. And also the other icon, main icon, is the report option. Like whatever the user do, they need to get the report, either manual testing or automated testing. So the to get the main report, user have to click report options, then click on view report. It will open the report page. If user click clear all results, it clear all the results in the report, the entire report. So it has to be performed with caution. So I click on view report. Here we saw the header, and this header is can be customized. So there is a provision in the RTMS software. You can use either pro header or RTMS header or custom defined headers. So it's very useful, and it will give the informations. The most important thing is test status of overall relay. It's a pause or fail here. And relay test input option, this is all test. Say example, user want to add some feedbacks, like the testing is done. Example, your test is failed. You want to provide some information why the test failed. There is a provision in this tool. Example, here the report option, you select show comments. So it shows the comment section. Maybe in the next page, in the comment section, you can type relay failed, maybe due to conduct issues. So something, whatever the comments you want to add, user can add, and it get updated. And also the user can add deficiencies, and also image, like user want to add some image, then they can able to add the image here. Say example, the user want to add image. Assume like here I want to take some screenshot. This one I want to add part of my image, so we can select image and add it. Also there is another way to add the view notes. So like you can add the image here also. So it does have a lot of feature to add image or test notes or deficiencies, or even you can delete the test results. The other feature here is, in case I want to force this particular test into the new page, so we can use the force new page. Then you can see this particular page, that the one it will automatically force to the next page. So this feature is very important when customer want to isolate group of test or specific test into the separate pages. It's a very useful tool. And also if you want to see what is the test group headings, actually it also show like what are the headings in the big bold way. If you notice this one, like 50p element, this is the test group heading. It's a test name. So this is another feature user can like when we are viewing the reports, it will be very helpful to understand which group they are on. It's a really useful option. And also you want to go back to the test screen, either you can use here and you get to this predefined test view, or it's a magic button view I call, or you click OK here in the home screen, click home, then it take you back to the home screen. Let's continue in the next video. RTMS overview part 5 about predefined test icons and how we can use the predefined test icons for testing. This is a very, very important tool in the RTMS software to run any test. User need to understand about this one. It does have a few icons, and I will go for put the separate RTMS overview 5 video about this special predefined test icon. Thank you for watching.